Before buying a VTX antenna, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, HGLRC RHCP SMA Long-Range Antenna. The HGLRC RHCP SMA long-range antenna caught my attention with its sleek design and budget-friendly price of $15.99. If you want reliable performance for long-range flights, this is worth a serious look. So, what makes this antenna stand out? First off, it operates within a frequency range of 5,500 to 6,000 MHz. This means you're getting optimal signal transmission, which is crucial for maintaining a connection with your drone, especially when flying far away. The 2.5 dBi gain ensures robust signal strength, which is exactly what you need for those long aerial adventures. You'll appreciate the high-quality ABS radome material, which not only makes it durable, but also resistant to various environmental factors. The 50 ohm impedance and SMA connector type also guarantee that it integrates easily with most UAV systems, making it a versatile choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ease of installation and compatibility allows you to spend more time flying and less time tinkering. Now, some people complained about the antenna's relatively small size. Here's the thing though, while it may seem minor, this actually contributes to its lightweight nature, making it perfect for racing drones where every gram counts. So if you're a casual flyer or a competitive racer, this could work well for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty antenna for extreme conditions. It's a solid value for the price. Product number 2, HGLRC LHCP Long-Range Antenna. Another from HGLRC, the LHCP Long-Range Antenna, also priced at $15.99. If you're looking for a lightweight option that promises performance, this one deserves your attention. Why should you consider this one? Like its sibling, it operates within a frequency range of 5,500 to 6,000 MHz, ensuring solid signal transmission. The 2.5 dBi gain is perfect for long-range connectivity, giving you peace of mind during your flights. The robust ABS material construction is built to last, which is always a plus. With a 50 ohm impedance and SMA connector, it fits into various UAV systems without a hitch. Here's why this matters for you. You want an antenna that can withstand the rigors of outdoor flying while still delivering a strong signal. However, some users noted that the antenna can bend easily. Here's the thing. While it's not ideal, this flexibility can also be beneficial in preventing breakage during crashes. If you're flying in tight spaces or rough terrains, that might actually be a plus. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, budget-friendly antenna that's built for performance. Skip this one if you need something that's extremely rigid or heavy-duty. It's a great value for the features it offers. Product number 3, Rush FPV Cherry 2 FPV Antenna. Let's talk about the Rush FPV Cherry 2 5.8G FPV Antenna, priced at $15.69. The design immediately caught my eye, and the performance promises to deliver. What makes this antenna special? The optimized design is specifically tailored for FPV scenarios, using high-precision 3D laser metallization technology. This means you'll get consistent performance every time you fly. With a standing wave ratio lower than 1.3, you are looking at high transmission efficiency, which means less heat buildup and longer operational life. The antenna's weight is reduced by 20%, and it's smaller too, making it a breeze to install without adding bulk to your setup. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're racing or flying acrobatic drones, every ounce and every bit of signal clarity counts. That said, some reviews mention that it may not be as durable as other options. Here's the thing, while durability is a concern, if you handle it with care, the performance benefits far outweigh this flaw, especially in competitive settings. This is perfect for you if you prioritize lightweight and high-performance antennas. Skip this one if you need something rugged for extreme conditions. It offers good value for the performance you're getting. Product number 4, Foxeer FPV Antenna Lollipop 4, which is priced at $22.99. Right off the bat, the design and color stand out, making it an appealing choice. So, what's the big deal? This antenna is renowned for its exquisite workmanship and can maintain a solid 5.8 GHz frequency with a 500 MHz bandwidth range. The I-root reinforcement design allows it to be bent without losing functionality, which is perfect for those unpredictable crashes. Plus, it's made from high-impact materials that can withstand rough handling, ensuring you get the best range and performance no matter the orientation. Here's why this matters for you. If you're flying in diverse conditions, you want an antenna that can adapt without sacrificing signal quality. However, it's slightly pricier than some other options, which may put some off. Here's the thing. If you're serious about your drone racing or aerial photography, this investment could pay off in terms of reliability and performance. This is perfect for you if you need an antenna that combines durability with high performance. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just need a basic antenna. It's worth the extra cash for what you get.
Product number 5, E-Outstanding FPV Antenna. Check out the E-Outstanding FPV Antenna, priced at just $7.99. I was curious about how a budget antenna would perform, and I was pleasantly surprised. What's great about this one? It's simple yet effective, with a gain of 2.15 dBi and a frequency range of 5.8 GHz. It's lightweight, making it ideal for casual flyers or those who want to keep their drone setup as light as possible. The included 2-pack is also a great value, so you have a backup. Here's why this matters for you. If you're just getting started in the drone hobby, or you want something reliable without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. On the downside, a few users mention that the signal quality isn't as strong as pricier models. Here's the thing, if you're flying in close range, this antenna will still serve you well without hassle. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-frills antenna that gets the job done. Skip this one if you're an advanced user needing the highest signal quality. It's definitely a steal for what you pay.
So to wrap things up, we looked at 5 great VTX antennas, the HGLRC RHCP SMA and LHCP antennas for budget-friendly options, the Rush FPV Cherry 2 for optimized performance, the Foxeer Lollipop 4 for durability and high range, and the E-Outstanding for an affordable starter option. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most for your flying needs. No matter which one you choose, you'll be improving your drone experience.